Lenovo LOQ 15AHP10 RTX 5050. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 250. That's an 8-core, 16-thread chip with AMD Ryzen AI onboard delivering up to 16 TOPS of AI acceleration. That means it's not just built for gaming, but also ready for content creation and AI-enhanced productivity apps in Windows 11. On the GPU side, we've got NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5050 with 8 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory based on the new Blackwell architecture. This card supports DLSS4 and ray tracing, so you're getting solid future-proofing for 1080p gaming and even some 1440p titles if you tweak the settings. 16 gigabytes DDR55600 RAM, 512 gigabytes M.2 PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, 15.6-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080. IPS 144 Hz refresh rate, 300 nits brightness, 100% sRGB G-Sync support. Ports, rear, 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, 1x HDMI 2.1, 1x Ethernet RJ45, 1x DC in, right, 1x USB-A 3.2, Gen 1, 1x USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second, DP 1.4, 140 watts PD. White backlit keyboard,